Before I started, I was pretty broken, defeated, no self-esteem, zero self-confidence. I was weighing in around 210 pounds, well over 30% body fat, not happy with who I was or who I was becoming. I think I was most skeptical of knowing quite a few of the athletes that were here and knowing the level they were at. First physical breakthrough was being able to do a rope climb and just a regular strict pull-up. I have a relationship now with my children that I never imagined. My daughter comes here now with me. So I've lost about 30 pounds, gone down about 6 pant sizes, and about 12% body fat. I don't care where you're at in your life. I don't care if you are extremely fit and you want to take it to the next level, or if you feel like you can't do anything that we do here. I never in a million years thought the people that would be supporting me through my journey in life are the people that I've met here.